Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? In this vast and varied world, one concept that remains constant is personal development. It's a journey, a lifelong endeavor that holds the power to transform lives and turn dreams into reality. Now you might ask, what is personal development? It's the process of self-improvement, of consistently striving to be better today than you were yesterday. It's about setting goals and working towards them, not just in the professional sphere, but in every aspect of life. But why is it so important? Well, it's simple. Personal development is the compass that guides us towards our true potential. It helps us to discover our strengths, overcome our weaknesses, and ultimately, to lead a more fulfilling and successful life. Remember, everyone has the potential to change and grow. The key to success lies in recognizing the power of change and personal development. Consider the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. This extraordinary plant presents us with a remarkable lesson in patience, persistence, and unseen growth, all essential elements of personal development. Imagine for a moment that you're a gardener and you've just planted a Chinese bamboo tree. You diligently water and nurture your seed, but when the first year passes, you see nothing. No sprout, no sign of life. Yet you continue to tend to your seed. In the second year again, nothing. The soil remains as it was, seemingly untouched by your efforts. You might start to question yourself, but you persist, remembering that good things take time. The third year rolls around and still, there's no sign of your bamboo tree. Doubts may creep in, but you push them aside, reminding yourself of the power of persistence. So you continue to water and nurture your seed. The fourth year arrives. You've been caring for this plot of soil for almost half a decade now, yet there's still no bamboo tree in sight. But you do not give up. You keep watering, keep nurturing, because you believe in the potential that lies beneath. And then comes the fifth year. In just 6 weeks, your patience and persistence are rewarded as the bamboo tree shoots up, growing an astounding 80 feet. All the growth that seemed absent in the previous years was actually happening out of sight, beneath the soil. This is the power of unseen growth. Just like the bamboo tree, personal development often happens below the surface, unnoticed by the outside world, and sometimes even by ourselves. It's a slow process, one that requires continuous effort, even when we can't see immediate results. So, let's take a leaf from the bamboo tree's book. Let's be patient, let's be persistent, let's keep nurturing our minds and souls, even when the growth isn't immediately visible. Because remember, the most significant growth often happens in the unseen. Much like the bamboo tree, personal development is a slow and steady process that requires patience and persistence. So, what are the principles of personal development? Let's dive right in. Personal development is a lifelong journey that begins with setting clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve sets the direction of your journey. It's like having a destination in mind before setting out on an expedition. The second principle is embracing change. Change is the only constant in life. Accepting this fact and learning to adapt is a vital aspect of personal development. Maintaining a positive attitude is another cornerstone. It's not about ignoring life's difficulties, but rather viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Positivity fuels resilience and pushes us to keep going despite the odds. Lastly, committing to lifelong learning. Knowledge is infinite, and there's always something new to learn. This principle encourages us to stay curious and open-minded. Remember, every situation offers a lesson. These principles serve as a roadmap to personal growth and success. So, how does personal development empower us? Well, it's like a toolkit for life. Imagine you're a ship navigating the vast ocean of existence. Personal development is your compass, guiding you through the choppy waters of life. It enhances your self-awareness, lighting up the path before you. It helps you to understand your strengths, weaknesses, and the unique qualities that make you, you. But that's not all. Personal development also sharpens your skills and talents. It's like a whetstone for your abilities, honing them to perfection. It doesn't just make you better at what you do, it makes you the best you can be. And the benefits don't stop there. Personal development can dramatically boost your quality of life. It helps you to reach your full potential, to achieve your goals, to live your dreams. It's more than just self-improvement, it's self-empowerment. Invest in personal development and unlock the door to your full potential.